How can you recover a text document on the iPhone? Let me explain some possible scenarios in a situation, so let's get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. Well, of course, it depends on what happened to it, and yeah, but most likely you had it in the Files app, which is the built-in organizer for your text documents and other file types. But if you by any chance deleted the text document and you want to recover it, all you have to do is just to click on the left arrow in the top left, and you just need to go to the recently deleted folder. It is part of the locations where you have things like the On My iPhone or Google Drive, iCloud, whatever, and the recently deleted should be right there. So if there is anything like a text document which got deleted, you can recover it from this place, right? So that would be one way to do that. But it could also happen that something else is going on. You might be using a different file browser, for example, the Documents one from the App Store. But in that case, it also works in a similar manner where you as well might be interested in the recently deleted folder in here. So you have the same thing going on in another file browser. So it really depends on what happened to that thing, right? Because yeah, that way you can only know how to get it back, right? So if there is something very specific which I did not cover in this video, I would really appreciate your comment below so you can perhaps explain it more and I could make an updated video about it. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and quick tips like this one.